Assalamualaikum. Um, Good morning, everyone. Thank you all for joining today's coordination meeting for LKIT 2025. I am Muaz, the campaign coordinator from the district officer, and I will be hosting our meeting today. Let me introduce my colleague from the district. This is Brother Najmi, our logistic officer. Continue, Najmi.
Good morning. Thank you, Muaz. It's great to be here. I'd like to welcome our college from national headquarters over to you.
Good morning, Muaz and Najmi. I'm Isma, the National Program Director. It's wonderful to connect with the district team today. With me is Akila, our media and outreach officer.
Hello everyone, looking forward to working together on this important campaign for our children wellness.
Okay, thank you. So, excellent. Before we dive into our agenda, Najmi, could you share some updates about our yearly preparation?
Muaz, we've secured the community center as our venue, and we have confirmation from 15 schools who are interested in participate. We've also reached out to local health partner, include the district hospital and 2 nutrition clinic, and they are all on board of support.
Okay, thank you, Najmi. That fantastic progress. Now, let me explain. Let me explain the purpose of today's meeting. We need to align on our campaign activities, finalize logistics, and ensure our promotional strategy is effective. Najmi, now can you share the latest update?
Of course, I have 3 main updates for everyone. First, regarding turnout, we're expecting approximately 300 students and around 115 parents based on our initial registration. Second, we confirm our speaker. We have Dr. Sarah Chen as a pediatric dietitian and Mr. Kumar, a child psychology, both confirmed from the parent talk. Third, the venue layout has been finished. We have spread zone for fitness, workshop, nutrition booths, and mental health game, with the main hall reserved for the parent session. The proposed school date run from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. on Saturday, March 15.
Okay, thank you, Najmi. That's very true. Okay, now, Kak Isma, we do love to hear your suggestion on how we can increasing participation and engagement, especially based on your experience with previous campaign. Kak Isma?
Absolutely, Muaz. From our previous campaign across different districts, I have seen several activities work exceptionally well. On that, I highly recommend is Healthy Passport Camp. Children receive a passport booklet and collect stamp at each activity station. When they complete all sessions, they get a certificate and a healthy snack pack. The gamification approach increased participation by 40% in our last campaign. We could also introduce a parent-child challenge, maybe a cooking demonstration where family work together to prepare a healthy meal. This is a great bonding opportunities while teaching practice skills. Okay. Additionally, having interactive station rather than just informational both make a hard difference. For example, instead of just displaying nutrition information, we could help kids identify fruit and vegetable, blank fruit, or participate in a smoothie making competition.
Those are very excellent idea, Kak Isma. I can see how this activity would really engage both children and parents. Now, Akila, could you tell us about the promotional plans?
Yes, thank you, Muaz. We've been working on comprehensive outreach strategy. Our promotional plan includes several components.
Hmm. What specific strategies are you proposing to maximize our reach?
Actually, we're planning a multi-channel approach. First, we create engaging social media content, short video featuring testimonial from previous participants, countdown posts, and sneak peek of the activity. We target parents through Facebook parent group and Instagram. Second, we distribute colorful flyers through 50 participating schools with QR codes linking to our registration page. Third, we are arranging for a local radio announcement during morning drive time when parents are taking kids to the school. Finally, we like to parents with a local influencer, particularly parents bloggers and health advocates in the district. It is to amplify our message. We also proposing a special early bird registration initiative to encourage sign up in the 2 weeks.
Nice. Very thank you to Akila. Those promotional strategies sound very comprehensive. I think we should move forward with all of them. Let me assign clear responsibilities so everyone knows their tasks moving forward. Akila, you will take the lead on all promotional activities, social media campaign, influencer partnership and media release. Please coordinate closely with Najmi on vendor arrangement and logistics. Najmi, you will handle vendor coordination, including the catering for healthy snacks, booth setup, and equipment rentals. You will also be our main liaison with the health organization partners. Najmi, could you provide Akila with the contact details of the health organization license so she can feature them in our promotional materials?
Certainly, Muaz. The main contact is Dr. Amira from the district health department. Let me share her detail now. Her name is Dr. Amira Hassan. Her phone number is 012-345-6789. And her email is amirahassan@liahealth.gov.my. She is very enthusiastic about the campaign and would be happy to provide quote or participate in promotion video.
Perfect. I noted that down. Dr. Amira Hassan, 012-345-6789. Amira Hassan, liahealth.gov.my. I reached out to her this week about featuring the health department involvement in our campaign's materials.
Great. I have just confirmed all those details. I also sent a follow-up email to everyone with the complete contact list of all our partner and vendor.
Excellent teamwork, everyone. Let me summarize our action plan and task assignment. Najmi, you will finalize venue arrangement, coordinate with vendors for equipment and catering, and maintain liaison with health partners. Target completion 2 weeks from today. Akila, you will launch the social media campaign, coordinate with local influencers, distribute promotional materials through school, and arrange radio announcement. She will also interview Dr. Amira for promotional content. Kasma, you will provide us with detailed guideline for implementing the health passport game and parent-child cooking challenge, including materials needed and activity instruction. I will oversee the overall coordination, manage school communication, and handle registration. Those everyone have clarity on their responsibilities? Question mark.
Yes, crystal clear, Muaz. I'd also like to propose our next meeting date and time. How about we meet again in 2 weeks on 10 at 10 a.m. This will give us time to make progress and address any challenge before the event.
That timeline works perfectly for me. It us enough time to implement the activities and still have a buffer for adjustment.
Agree. 2 weeks should be sufficient to launch our promotional campaign and gather initial data.
Perfect. So our next meeting is confirmed for the 10 at 10 a.m. Right? Thank you all for your valuable input and commitment to making Health Kit 2025 a success.
Thank you, Muaz. And team, I looking forward to working together.
Thank you, everyone. Let's make this campaign impactful for our children.
Goodbye everyone, excited to get started on our promotion.
Yeah, very good.